Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wherever you
Happy
are. That's where I am.
birthday, dear Julia. Happy birthday to you.
You're gonna put this on,
So,
and that's
wait, first, Julia, you have to blow 6 away, and you're gonna get to 7.
You have to wish.
You have to wish. Blow 6 away. 6 is no more gonna be there, and it's gonna be 7 from now on. Blow 6 away. Yay! Woo! So Julia,
you're gonna wear this. And this
gonna
says
wear this
birthday
today?
Girl, and you're gonna wear it like this. That says birthday girl.
and look at what Grandma got you.
A big Stevie dog. You can sleep with her because she's soft. Don't get into the eye.
Yeah. And this is from Jessie.
Happy birthday, I love you more and happy birthday, I love you more than anything. I cannot believe you are turning 7 from Jessie. Was I crying or I was laughing?
You were laughing.
I was like,
And this is from me and B.
you're gonna like this.
Okay? But open it up slowly. Wait. Slowly. Just slowly. Opening it up. Okay. What does that sound? What's that sound?
Julia, stop.
What's that sound? Someone's called. Wait a minute.
What in the hell is this?
Someone's calling you.
It says fake cover.
Answer it. Push. Answer it.
Hello?
Hi, Julia. I just wanted to call to say happy birthday.
Daddy?
You have a new phone.
Cool, I have a phone.
We love you.
For trips.
For trips, yes.
Okay.
Love you.
Bye.
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 Bye.